Hello and welcome to my daily disaster news channel. The information in the video shows an incident on July the 15th, 2022 in Oman. Due to heavy thunderstorms, rainfall can reach up to 80 millimeters within 24 hours. The Civil Aviation Authority warns everyone to take precautions during thunderstorms in warning zones and avoid lowlands. In addition, the authority urges people to closely monitor the state of the sea and take actions. Subscribe to the channel to keep abreast of the most important changes on the planet.